Hey everyone, it's Jackie Potter, and today I'm up here on the Mesa in Santa Barbara, and I'm really excited to show you guys a tour of this 2-bedroom condo. So come on, let's check it out.
Perched on the Mesa in Santa Barbara and tucked behind a canopy of lush trees, welcome to 931 Weldon Road. A refreshed 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo offering a serene retreat in one of the city's most sought-after neighborhoods. The open concept main level seamlessly blends the dining area, living room, balcony, and kitchen, perfect for entertaining guests or just hanging out with the family. This condo also offers in-unit laundry and a powder room on the entertainment level. A spacious balcony invites you to soak up the Santa Barbara sunshine as natural light pours through the windows, peeking through the trees in the morning and glowing bright in the afternoon. Upstairs, the top floor offers 2 inviting bedrooms, each with vaulted ceilings, walk-in closets, and their own ensuite bathrooms. The primary suite takes it up a notch with a cozy fireplace, providing a perfect retreat at the end of the day. With the added convenience of an attached 2-car garage, you have plenty of room for your car and all of your beach gear.
I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. If you have any questions about this condo or would like to schedule a private showing, reach out.